Part 3, complete new pathway to own a home in year 2025. Guys, today we are going to cover reserve money as asset. It's not confusing. Asset is like keeping a savings account of all the money which you expense it out every month. We can call also an emergency fund, which is called asset in the lending language. So first question comes, how much emergency fund do I need and how do I build it? Hey everyone, this is Sonal Shah. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are talking about something crucial for your financial well-being, your emergency fund. Life will throw curveball at us, like losing a job, unexpected medical expenses, car repairs. This thing can happen when you least expect it. That's where your emergency fund comes in the picture. It's your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and ability to weather any storm. Especially now that you're about to buy one of your big investment, your primary home. You want to make sure that your hard work of saving the money, building the equity, all that stays intact should any adversity comes in your life. I don't want your bank to foreclose on you, correct? Lender will give typically 2 to 3 months if you are late. They may even give you a payment plan. But after that, they, by law, will start a proceeding for foreclosure. Believe me, they are not happy about it. They don't like to foreclose because bank is not in a business to sell the home. But they will take it and give it to another realtor to put it in a market. So what is the thumb of rule? Rule of reserve of 2 months up to 6 months. Now, when it's 2 months and when it's 6 months, let's talk about it. But basically, it will depend on your loan program. How much emergency fund do you actually need? It will vary by lender, but commonly, as I've recommended, the rule of 3, a classic guidelines such as having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in a bank. Make sure to count everything, your groceries, your utility, your mortgage, any other installment payment, credit card payment, anything and everything. You want to make sure you save enough in that bank for 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months because consider your situation. Are you a single income household? Then you may need 6 months because you are a single income household. If it is dual income household, you may need only 3 months saving because it's very unlikely that both of you will lose a job or face the adversity together. But if you are a high risk profession, like, let me give you an example, surgeon, something very top position where jobs are rare and the availability or the vacancy is also rare. If that is the kind of job you have, save for 12 months. Do not hesitate. Until then, do not go and buy your home. If you have debt repayment with high interest, prioritize it. Pay that off first and then touch the lower interest debt. Building emergency fund is easy, but make it a priority. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Do not give in to the temptation of going to some games for buying expensive tickets, going to concert, vacation. No. All that will come in later. Set up automatic transfers. Every time you get paid, it goes in the bank. Set up a particular amount straight to go into your savings so you don't even see it. It could be a small amount, you can build it up over. Cut back on all your unnecessary expenses. Please listen to part 1 and 2, it's very important. But lattes, dining out, subscriptions, unused, take it all out, right? And then reward yourself. When you see yourself progressing, your savings account get bigger and bigger and bigger, that is the time to reward yourself too. Take this as a journey, not a race. You will really appreciate it when you buy a house, look down in 10 years ago, and you will see what all you did in your life to get to this financial situation. You will feel joy and happiness reaching closer to your goal. So start small, gradually increase your savings. Remember, every dollar counts. Well guys, I think I've given you enough insight. What are your tips for building an emergency fund? Have you done anything, or your parents have shared anything, or your friends have shared any ideas to save anything? Please like, subscribe, and put that in a comment so our entire community can benefit. Guys, do not forget to watch part 1 where we talked about financial planning, part 2, how to budget it, and this is part 3, asset, reserve. Reserve will give you peace of mind. Look forward to hear the video coming out, part 4, 5, and 6. Thank you guys.